Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be creating a new SQL Server Analysis Services tabular model project using Visual Studio SQL Server data tools. I have already launched Visual Studio 2019. I'm going to click on the link here to create a new project. Visual Studio provides you with a variety of templates that you can use to create new projects. If you have used a template recently, it will be listed on the left-hand side. There's also a search option here where you can search for the type of templates you want. So I'm going to type in analysis here. By typing in analysis in the search box, it has brought up some templates. So the template I want to use is this one here. Analysis Services Tabular Project, because I want to create a tabular project. So I make sure I've got that selected and click on the next button. In the configure your new project page, there is a default name for the project, which is called Tabular Project 1. I'm going to get rid of that. I've already prepared a name. I'm going to call it AW Internet Sales. The solution name also takes the name of the project name, but you can change the solution name if you wish to do so. A solution is a container for one or more projects in Visual Studio. In the framework option, you can select whichever framework you want to use. I'm currently using the most recent framework, so I'm going to leave it as that and click on the Create button. In the Tabular Model Designer, select the radio button for Integrated Workspace. In order to create a tabular model, you must select a compatibility level. So the compatibility level must be compatible with the analysis services version you want to deploy. So on that compatibility level, click on the drop down and select your server. I am running SQL Server 2019, so I'm going to select that. The compatibility level is 1500 and I'm going to click on the OK button. So that's it for this video. In this video, I created a new SQL Server Analysis Services tabular model project. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.